To change spacing between these line types, type LTS for LT scale, press enter, then specify scale factor. If you increase the scale factor, spacing will increase, and if you decrease the scale factor, spacing will decrease. Suppose I will increase it to 4, press enter. So here spacing is increased. Same way, if I decrease the scale factor, spacing will decrease. Here you will see that spacing is getting changed for all the line types. Suppose I want to change spacing for only single object. Suppose I want to change spacing for this line type. Then for that you will have to type PR for properties, press enter, then select your desired object, and from here you can control line type scale for that particular object. Suppose I want to increase the gap, so I will type here 2, then press enter. So here you will see that scale is changed for that particular object only. Then press escape and close this dialog box. So in this way you can change spacing between line types. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We will again meet in next tutorial.